Canonical has announced they will recognize Ubuntu Unity Remix as an official Ubuntu flavor, starting with Ubuntu 22.10. This comes after the main project maintainer for Ubuntu Unity Remix applied for this official status over 2 years ago. But he has now finally been granted it by the main developers of Ubuntu, Canonical. So this is of course big news for the fans of this project, and I think we will see a lot more from this Unity revival project in the future. Of course, Unity was originally a graphical shell for GNOME made by Canonical, which was used by Ubuntu from 2010 till 2017, when Ubuntu decided to switch back to a more stock version of GNOME 3, and Canonical stopped working on the project after that. But it's nice to see them finally recognize a developer who is trying to maintain it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Check me out on LBRY, and goodbye.